Welcome back to Actually You Life. Today's Sharing is Caring tip is brought to you by my sister-in-law, Kristen. Hey, Kristen! And we are gonna be washing some towels. Maybe your towels are smelling a little musty, or maybe they're not as fluffy and absorbent as they used to be, or maybe there's some stains you'd like to get out. You're definitely gonna wanna hear Kristen's trick. I add the laundry detergent. After you add your detergent, you're just going to add about a half a cup to a cup of your normal, just everyday distilled white vinegar. That's the trick. And I just kind of eyeball it, just give it a good little once over, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's the trick to getting your towels to smell nice again or to get them to be fluffy again. And you do not have to do this every time. And also, if you notice your towels still smelling like vinegar, which I have actually never noticed them still smelling like vinegar after they've been washed, but if they are, you can just run it through the rinse cycle just one more time. No need to add any more detergent or anything, but that should take care of it. I do hope that this tip is helpful. Thank you again, Kristen. And also, remember, sharing is caring. So make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Oh, and here's a little bonus tip for you. Don't wash your towels with a fabric softener. Fabric softener actually makes your towels too soft. Stops the water from absorbing off your body, which is the whole point of a towel. Sadie, come here. What you doing? What you doing? Sadie, come here. Sadie, come here. Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. If you're new to this channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hacks weekly, so do make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun, huh, Sadie? We don't want to missing out on all the fun. No, we don't. Mwah.